Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope all is well with you. Today I'm back with another insightful video. Friends, do you feel your life is boring and you want to find ways to make it interesting? If you do, you're not alone. Many of us feel our lives lack excitement at some time. You may feel nothing significant is happening. Although it is normal for life to be boring and uninteresting, you don't have to let things stay that way. There are many ways you can make your life interesting in order to feel happier and more fulfilled, because doing so will promote your personal growth through various experiences, and it also makes you look forward to seizing each new day. Today I'm going to share 8 ways to make life interesting and exciting. So watch the video till the end. First way, friends, is to do things that bring you joy. Perhaps your life is boring because you are doing things you don't enjoy, whether it is your job or any other activity. So do more things that make you happy. For example, do things you are passionate about. This will bring out positive emotions in you. Second way is try something new. Monotony can make your life boring. Even if you're doing things you love, you may lose interest in them. If you do the same thing all the time, your life is at a standstill because you don't have any experiences. So it is important to try new things. They will bring joy and excitement back into your life as you face new challenge and get new experiences to inspire you. So do something you haven't done before. Third way is to find your purpose. A purposeless life is directionless and it lacks excitement. So sadly, many of us live without a purpose because it is either not discovered or it was found but not pursued. So it is important to have something motivating you to get up every morning. Discovering your purpose is crucial while learning how to make life interesting. It gives us a reason, friends, for existence so we can figure out what you want to do with your life. Your goal will give you a challenge, something to work towards, and a reason for your actions. Isn't it? Fourth way is to get out of your comfort zone and start taking risks. Face your fear of uncertainty and do more things that make your heart beat faster. When you take risks, you get new experiences and you discover new things. Isn't it? Fifth way is live in the moment. Worries about the past and future, it can steal all the joy from today. You must start living in the now and enjoy every moment. Yesterday is already gone and tomorrow may never come. So getting anxious is a waste of our precious time. Sixth way is be spontaneous. Are you a kind of person who has to plan everything so you can feel in control? That is why life is boring. Though planning is good, it can take the excitement out. Whether it is meeting up with a friend, taking a trip to some new place. So being spontaneous involves being open to whatever life offers and taking advantage of situation instead of waiting to have a plan for them. Seventh way is make friends. Forming new friendships with like-minded people is vital when you want to make your life more interesting and more exciting. You will have a lot of fun doing things with someone with whom you share a strong bond and interest also. So be friendly to people and let them know the real you. You can make friends by joining clubs. You can reconnect with your old friends. You can attend events or even through social media. Eighth way is be authentic. As you learn to make more life exciting and interesting, embrace your true self and be unapologetic about it. So when you're an authentic person, you will know and love who you are. Instead of trying to please others, you will take control of your life and you will do what you want without worrying about what others think of you. So, friends, life is too short to allow yourself to get stuck in a phase where nothing exciting happens, isn't it? So, this way, what will happen? You will live a mediocre life. So, if you are feeling bored lately, work on yourself and use the above tips to know how to make life interesting and exciting. Do share in the comment section below if you have any other different way to make life interesting and exciting. It would be fun listening from you. Please share the video with your friends and family and help them live a holistic life. I hope you have enjoyed listening to this insightful video. For more such holistic insights, log on to my channel, that is Sandy's Reiki Gear. And do share and subscribe. It is a great motivation. Thank you and bye for now.